What is a varistor? A. A voltage-dependent resistor. B. A voltage-dependent diode. C. A current-dependent resistor. D. A current-dependent diode. The correct answer is a voltage-dependent resistor. Which type of transformer is required to create a 180-degree input to a rectifier? A. Center-tapped secondary. B. Step-down secondary. C. Stepped-up secondary. D. Split-winding primary. The correct answer is center-tapped secondary. What circuit activity may shift a characteristic curve so that diode operating points are different? A. Higher power heat. B. Higher resistance. C. Lower voltage. D. Lower current. The correct answer is higher power heat. What is wrong with this diode? A. Open. B. Short. C. Nothing. D. Not enough data. The correct answer is nothing. The DC current through each diode in a bridge rectifier equals A. The load current. B. Half the DC load current. C. Twice the DC load current. D. 1/4 the DC load current. The correct answer is the load current. When matching polarity connections have been made and the potential difference PD is above 0.7 V, the diode is considered to be A. Not working. B. Forward biased. C. Reverse biased. D. An open switch. The correct answer is forward biased. In a power supply diagram, which block indicates a smooth DC output? A. Transformer. B. Filter. C. Rectifier. D. Regulator. The correct answer is regulator. If a 169.7 V half-wave peak has an average voltage of 54 V, what is the average of two full-wave peaks? A. 119.9 V. B. 108.0 V. C. 115.7 V. D. 339.4 V. The correct answer is 108.0 V. What is the current through the lead? A. 0 mA. B. 23 mA. C. 18 mA. D. 13 mA. The correct answer is 13 mA. The characteristic curve for the complex model of a silicon diode shows that A. The barrier potential is 0 V. B. The barrier potential stays fixed at 0.7 V. C. The barrier potential increases slightly with an increase in current. D. The barrier potential decreases slightly with an increase in current. The correct answer is the barrier potential increases slightly with an increase in current. Since diodes are destroyed by excessive current, circuits must have A. Higher voltage sources. B. Current limiting resistors. C. More dopants. D. Higher current sources. The correct answer is current limiting resistors. A diode for which you can change the reverse bias and thus vary the capacitance is called A. Varactor diode. B. Tunnel diode. C. Zener diode. D. Switching diode. The correct answer is varactor diode. A filtered full-wave rectifier voltage has a smaller ripple than does a half-wave rectifier voltage for the same load resistance and capacitor values because A. There is a shorter time between peaks. B. There is a longer time between peaks. C. The larger the ripple, the better the filtering action. D. None of the above. The correct answer is there is a shorter time between peaks. Testing a good diode with an ohmmeter should indicate A. High resistance when forward or reverse biased. B. Low resistance when forward or reverse biased. C. High resistance when reverse biased and low resistance when forward biased. D. High resistance when forward biased and low resistance when reverse biased. The correct answer is high resistance when reverse biased and low resistance when forward biased. The peak inverse voltage PIV across a non-conducting diode in a bridge rectifier equals approximately A half the peak secondary voltage, B twice the peak secondary voltage, C the peak value of the secondary voltage, D 4 times the peak value of the secondary voltage. The correct answer is the peak value of the secondary voltage. What is the current through the diode? A 1 mA, B 0.975 mA, C 0.942 mA, D 0.0 mA. The correct answer is 1 mA. Electrons in the outermost orbit or shell of an atom are called A. Free electrons, B. Negative ions, C. Valence electrons, D. Conduction band electrons. The correct answer is valence electrons. Shunting the AC component away from the load is the task of A. Transformer, B. Filter, C. Regulator, D. Rectifier. The correct answer is filter. A p-n junction allows current flow when the p-type material is more positive than the n-type material. B. The n-type material is more positive than the p-type material. C. Both the n-type and p-type materials have the same potential. D. There is no potential on the n-type or p-type materials. The correct answer is the p-type material is more positive than the n-type material. What is the current through the Zener diode? A 0 mA, B 7 mA, C 8.3 mA, D 13 mA. The correct answer is 7 mA. When a diode is forward biased, the voltage across it A is directly proportional to the current, B is inversely proportional to the current, C is directly proportional to the source voltage, D remains approximately the same. The correct answer is remains approximately the same. Why is heat produced in a diode? A. Due to current passing through the diode, B. Due to voltage across the diode, C. Due to the power rating of the diode, D. Due to the p-n junction of the diode. The correct answer is due to current passing through the diode. The arrow in the schematic symbol of a diode points to A. The n-type material which is called the anode, B. The n-type material which is called the cathode, C. The p-type material which is called the anode, D. The p-type material which is called the cathode. The correct answer is the p-type material which is called the anode. The diode schematic arrow points to the A. Trivalent doped material, B. Positive axial lead, C. Anode lead, D. Cathode lead. The correct answer is cathode lead. When checking a diode, low resistance readings both ways indicate the diode is A. Open, B. Satisfactory, C. Faulty, D. Not the problem. The correct answer is faulty. In a diode schematic, the anode is represented by an A. Triangle, B. Vertical line, C. Zigzag line, D. Element indicator. The correct answer is triangle. An IC regulator receives an overload. It will A. Shut down, B. Compensate for heat, C. Provide more voltage, D. Sample and adjust. The correct answer is shut down. With full wave rectification, current through the load resistor must be A. in opposite directions, B. to the external load, C. from the reverse biased diode, D. in the same direction. The correct answer is in the same direction. A characteristic curve is the result of a current versus voltage plot of diode activity which begins at the A. third quadrant, B. current plot, C. graph origin, D. voltage plot. The correct answer is graph origin. Rectifier output polarity depends upon A. Cycles of input, B. Capacitor polarity, C. Half or full wave, D. Diode installation. The correct answer is diode installation. With a 12V supply, a silicon diode, and a 370 ohm resistor in series, what voltage will be dropped across the diode? A. 0.3V, B. 0.7V, C. 0.9V, D. 1.4V. The correct answer is 0.7V. If the frequency of the applied AC signal to a half-wave rectifier is 60 Hz, the frequency of the pulsating DC output will be A. 30 pps, B. 60 pps, C. 90 pps, D. 120 pps. The correct answer is 60 pps. What is the peak output voltage for this half-wave rectifier? A. 1V, B. 7.8V, C. 10.9V, D. 15.6V. The correct answer is 7.8V. Thermal shutdown occurs in an IC regulator if A. Power dissipation is too high, B. Internal temperature is too high, C. Current through the device is too high, D. Load resistance increases. The correct answer is internal temperature is too high. The conduction band is closest to the valence band in A. Semiconductors, B. Conductors, C. Insulators, D. The distance is the same for all of the above. The correct answer is semiconductors. What is the percent of regulation if VNL 20V and VFL 19.8V? A. 0, B. 1, C. 1, D. 5. The correct answer is 1. With a half-wave rectified voltage across the load resistor, load current flows for what part of a cycle? A. 0 degrees, B. 90 degrees, C. 180 degrees, D. 360 degrees. The correct answer is 180 degrees. Which of the following circuits would require the least amount of filtering? A. A half-wave rectifier, B. A full-wave rectifier, C. A bridge rectifier, D. A full-wave rectifier and a bridge rectifier. The correct answer is a full-wave rectifier and a bridge rectifier. What is wrong with this circuit? A. The Zener is open, B. The Zener is shorted, C. Nothing, D. Not enough data. The correct answer is the Zener is open. The voltage where current may start to flow in a reverse biased PN junction is called the A. breakdown voltage, B. barrier potential, C. forward voltage, D. biasing voltage. The correct answer is breakdown voltage. Providing a constant output regardless of AC input or load resistance changes is the function of A. Transformer, B. filter, C. regulator, D. rectifier. The correct answer is regulator. When a diode is destroyed, it has infinite impedance. When damaged by heat, it will probably A. short, B. conduct more, C. conduct less, D. open. The correct answer is short. The area at the junction of P-type and N-type materials that has lost its majority carriers is called the A. barrier potential, B. depletion region, C. N region, D. P region. The correct answer is depletion region. DC power should be connected to forward bias a diode as follows: A. anode cathode, B. cathode anode, C. anode cathode, D. cathode anode. The correct answer is anode cathode. At any given time in an intrinsic piece of semiconductor material at room temperature, A. electrons drift randomly, B. recombination occurs, C. holes are created, D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. In a power supply diagram, which block indicates a pulsating DC output? A. Transformer. B. Filter. C. Rectifier. D. Regulator. The correct answer is rectifier. List 3 diode packages. A. Clip package, dip small current package. B. Dip small current package, large current package. C. Small current package, large current package, and SIP. D. Small current package, large current package, clip package. The correct answer is small current package, large current package, clip package. The mimicking of an open-closed switch by a diode allows alternating current to be A. Rectified. B. Regulated. C. Controlled. D. Attenuated. The correct answer is rectified.